Hi, my name is Ahmet Tekin. I'm a co-founder at WaveWorks of Southern California and a faculty member of electrical engineering at Özyeğin University. WaveWorks is a technology startup with expertise in high-end microelectronics. 7 founding PhDs have years developed cutting-edge microchips. At the end, no one cared much. Up north, 500 miles away in Silicon Valley, social networks and mobile app developers were enjoying their gold rush. Gadget makers were too. That was a turning point for us. We had to admit the fact that we had to design what people wanted the most rather than the fastest ever microchips on Earth, or at least delay it until the company could survive. Hence, we were on a final quest in the wild. We wanted to design something others cannot design easily. We wanted to have social aspects in it. We wanted to pour art and mystery in it, and we invented Diamodo. Diamodo is a smart jewelry. What makes it distinct from other wearable technologies? There's no single answer to this question. First, it seamlessly blends technology, social networks, and art into a beautifully handcrafted piece, with touches from many engineers, craftsmen, and artists from all over the world that makes every single one of them a unique piece. It all started in Southern California, at a humble Santa design office of WaveWorks. Bluetooth communication modules, wireless power transfer functionality, LED-based illumination technology were all merged with various types and colors of gemstones from distinct corners of the world. Raw rocks from mines in many countries, such as India and Tanzania, flow into GEM's headquarters of the world, Bangkok, for cutting and polishing. In another path, silicon chips, which are literally made of sand as well, find their path to China for microelectronic assembly. After their smooth merger with the rocks, these unique gemstones are carried to the ancient parts of the world, mainly to Istanbul and Cairo, for jewelry handcrafting. Here, many artists with thousands of years back mystic skills handcraft them piece by piece into their final look. Meanwhile, many accessories, such as PCBs and wooden art boxes, are transferred to California. Here, they are locally hand-assembled into a magic jewelry box that can charge your Diamodo wirelessly. Wireless power transfer is nowadays a mature technology. Many smartwatches and other smart accessories have already been equipped with this function. These devices usually involve a charging coil, which is fairly large to achieve target capability. Also, many designs, including the ones proposed by leading technology companies, require some fixed locking mechanism for proper operation. Charging tiny small devices at an arbitrarily large area, though, was a quiet challenge worth to mention here. Unlike any other charging technology, one wouldn't need any contacts or even a locking mechanism to charge his or her jewelry. Just drop your Diamodo into the magic jewelry box and in just a couple of hours have it completely charged and ready to wear again. The stone is a completely sealed unit. This means that you don't have to take it off while taking a shower or washing your dishes. It wasn't even halfway when our engineers reached a design, what we called a smart gemstone in our patents. The real challenge was in keeping the functionality intact as the artists and the craftsmen demonstrate their art and hand skills around the piece. An arbitrary art with precious metals around can easily destroy the whole signal integrity and operation of the device. Connectivity and wireless charging functions can easily be nulled if not studied carefully and thoroughly. So it was the collaboration between the engineers and the artists for each of the structures that had saved the day at the end. For every single model, the engineers had to set some initial technological constraints for the artists to work around. In an iterative process, each model had to be signed off by both teams to reach the final art. Diamodo comes in many forms: ring, bracelet, necklace, many distinct models with each special stone. Art and color serve a wide range of tastes and preferences. This short film was only intended to be a brief for the design. In order to check out more details about the technology, usage, features, models, and even the films showing live handcrafting in art workshops, visit Diamodo.com. In order to check out other technologies of Waveworks, visit waveworksinc.com.
Beauty forever.